Hello everyone, this is my Chevrolet Transport, also called Pontiac Montana. It's a 99. I have changed the head gaskets and the intake manifold, but now I have a strange noise on the right of the engine. I will start the engine. I think it's from the exhaust pipe. So, does anyone know where the sound's coming from? The engine is working perfect. It's just the sound. I have loosened the belt, checked all the pulleys, nothing wrong with that. So